In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Citibank bank account to Fidelity. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Fidelity. You could do this both on the mobile device or on the Fidelity website. Both of them will get the job done. And then you want to press on this button that says open or link an account. And then you're going to see this option that says link a non-Fidelity account. And you're able to go ahead and press on that. And then from here, it is going to open up a bunch of banks that they do offer. And you want to go ahead and find Citi. So here it is. You just want to go ahead and select on it. Then from there, you will need to go ahead and select on connect. Now, the way it works is that you're going to need to log in to your Citibank account using your Citi credentials. And after you do that, Citi is going to ask you again if you 100% want to connect Citi to Fidelity. So make sure to select on confirm. And then afterwards, that is going to link the two together. Keep in mind that when you do this process, you might need to verify using a message sent to your phone number. So make sure to have your phone on standby and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.